We produced this video in hopes of saving you money and frustration by keeping your lawnmower running strong. One of the most critical things to do to keep your mower running smoothly is to stabilize the fuel and properly prepare your machine for winter storage. The majority of lawnmowers brought into our shop for repairs are due to fuel system issues. Most of these issues can be prevented with proper off-season storage. In a minute, we will walk you through a few simple steps you can take to ensure your mower is ready to take on next summer. Before diving in, we want to share what causes the fuel system issues. Most fuel system failures are caused by degraded gasoline. The gasoline at the gas pumps today is blended with ethanol right before shipment to the stations. Once it is pumped, the gas starts to deteriorate. Ethanol blended gasoline attracts water, which becomes corrosive to metal fuel tanks and fuel systems. This results in poor running performance and could cause dilution of oil in the crankcase or other performance problems. Untreated gas that is more than 30 days old is not recommended to be used in a fuel system of a gas engine. If you leave untreated gas in your lawnmower's tank over the winter, chances are your mower will not start next summer, and warranties will not usually cover repairs resulting from fuel storage related issues. In order to eliminate fuel system issues, the small engine experts at Minnesota Equipment recommend preparing the fuel tank for winter storage in one of two ways. The first option is to drain the tank or run the engine out of fuel, then add about a half quart of steel Motomix to the tank. Motomix contains no ethanol fuel. It is stable for up to 2 years and is a great long-term storage fuel for all 2- and 4-cycle gas-powered equipment. Run the engine long enough to ensure Motomix thoroughly permeates the fuel system, including the carburetor. An alternative option is to fill the tank with non-oxy ethanol-free gas and add a fuel stabilizer. Minnesota Equipment recommends Seafoam or Startron for fuel stabilizers. Here, too, start the engine and allow it to run for a few minutes to ensure stabilized fuel reaches the carburetor. Once again, you're ready for winter storage. Not a do-it-yourselfer? No problem. Contact Minnesota Equipment to schedule an appointment for seasonal maintenance.